At Spantech, we engineer conveyor chain solutions tailored to your needs. Let's take a quick look at our lineup. Need tight turns? Our 25mm and 55mm super tight chains offer industry-leading turning radii, keeping layouts compact and efficient. Handling delicate products, PillowTop's main feature is its curved surface, which eliminates chordal action, allowing it to sit as close as possible to transfers and other conveyors. For safety and seamless transport, closed-top chain is the go-to, reducing friction and allowing extra long conveyors. For safety and seamless transport, closed-top chain is the go-to, reducing friction and allowing extra long conveyors. J-Trax excels in baking and enrobing, while MaxiSpan provides openness for cooling and easy cleaning. Micro or mini, we've got you covered. Versatility is everything. MaxiSpan and MonoSpan are commonly used for applications that require metal detectors, while MultiSpan adapts to almost any industry challenge. Need smooth accumulation? Tube top chain reduces back pressure, protecting your products while maintaining efficiency. From precision to power, Spantech has the conveyor solution for you.